Hello on American Papa's cooking channel. Today we're making, sorry about that, pot roast. First thing I did is season it. Now I'm frying it for a little bit to brown the outside. And then I'll show you in a minute what I'm doing after that. Next step, got the meat pulled out. It's kind of what it looks like. Turn on some light for you. And then see all that goodness down in there. I got some olive oil left in there and butter. I'm going to saute onions, garlic in there until they're soft, and then add some carrots until they're soft. And then the next step I'll show you in a second. Next step is melting the butter and putting that in. The whole garlic and 2 small onions. Right here I have some beef broth with 2 tablespoons of cornstarch and approximately 3 cups of water. Then I'm reducing this down, making the onions soft. I add some wine to that, red wine, approximately 1 cup of red wine. I'm using Merlot. Making it all happy. Getting all that good flavor off the bottom of the pan. That's boiling. I'm going to add tomato paste to it. That's what the paste looks like with the wine and onions. Next thing is the broth. Looks good, looking good. Okay, here where you're at. So I also added 2 tablespoons of brown sugar in that broth. This is going in here. That sauce is amazing. Check out that sauce. I'm going to put 2 carrots in here. That's where I'm at. Next step, putting it in the oven for 3.5–4 hours at 300 Fahrenheit or 149 Celsius. Let's see what it looks like in the end. Thanks again for watching. American Papa out. Here we go, final product. Meat is like perfect, falling apart. When I plate it up, I'll show you. It's all wrapped up, ready to go. See you in about 3 hours. Final product, finished and plated.